Forester Loggers First Aid Kit is designed specifically for the logging industry. This product meets the requirements of the new OSHA 1990-266A logging safety standards for first aid kits. Meets ANSI and ISEA Z308 1-2015, Class A Type 1, 2, 3, and 4 standards. The 48-piece kit includes 16 adhesive bandages, 1 adhesive tape, 10 antiseptic, 1 breathing barrier, 1 cold pack, 2 eye coverings, 2 pair of medical exam gloves, 1 gauze roller bandage, 1 scissors, 2 sterile pads 3x3 inch, 2 large gauze pads, 1 triangular bandage, 1 tourniquet, 1 survival blanket, 1 pair of tweezers, 2 elastic wraps, and 1 whistle. When it comes to safety in the field, the Forester Loggers First Aid Kit is a must-have on any job site.